In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to use fuzzy lookup in Excel, and that video got a lot of attention. In this one, I'll quickly show you how to install fuzzy lookup in less than 2 minutes. So fuzzy lookup is extremely useful in situations where formulas such as VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and other forms of lookups fail due to small differences in the text. Let's say you're trying to match, say, ABC Inc. with ABC Incorporated, or McDonald's with McDonald, or even Microsoft Corp with Microsoft Corporation. Normal lookups won't match these, but fuzzy lookup will. So the steps are as follows. First, you have to download the add-in. So you go to Google and you search fuzzy lookup Excel download. You have to click on the official Microsoft download page, which in this case is this option, and you have to download the file. I'm just going to click on this blue button that says download. Head over to your downloads folder, and in your downloads folder, locate the file that has been downloaded. And first of all, open that file by left clicking on it. Next, you have to click on install, as so. You have to check this button to accept the terms, then click on install again, and then you click on finish, as so. As you can see, the install of the fuzzy lookup add-in has been successful, and this has been successfully installed on my device. The next step is to close Excel if it's already open, and then reopen Excel. So if you already have an open Excel workbook, make sure you close that first before performing this step. Open Excel, and I'll click on blank workbook. The fuzzy lookup add-in has been successfully added to the ribbon up here, and it's always on the top right hand side. Now, if you've performed all these steps and you still can't see the fuzzy lookup add-in in the ribbon, you can go to File, go to Options, go to Add-ins, and in the bottom in this section, select the COM add-ins and click on Go. And then you have the option to check fuzzy lookup add-in for Excel, and then you have to click on OK. As so, as you can see, click on it. So if it's not appearing here, you would need to check this box. And as easy as that, I was able to successfully add fuzzy lookup to Excel, and that's how it's done. Now, if you want to see how fuzzy lookup works and how you can use it to perform fuzzy lookups, I've created another video on this topic. The link to that video is available in the description box of this video, and I'll also be creating more fuzzy lookup related videos explaining different use cases for this add-on. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos on fuzzy lookup and Excel in general. And also, if you got some value out of this video, make sure to give this a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.